Good morning, everyone. My name is Ricky Ford. I'm the president here at Northeast. We want to welcome everybody to this. This is a really memorable day for us that we can take the time out to recognize these students that have signed agreements with their partners in business and industry. And I've said this many times, this is a win-win situation for everyone. It gives our students an opportunity to get firsthand experience working within the industry, that gives the industry an opportunity to evaluate and train. And for the most part, practically all of our students, when they complete the apprenticeship program, they go directly to work with you, the industry. And that's the reason, one of the reasons that we are here and we are established is that we want to make sure that we work and provide anything that we can for our industry and for our businesses in order to keep them skilled workers, keep each one of these skilled workers in place. So it's a great day for our students and a great day for all of our business partners. So thank you for coming out today and participating in this. And I also cannot pass up the opportunity to say thank you to our fabulous instructors that we have within our career tech division. They do a phenomenal job. They're some of the most passionate people and hardworking people that we have here on campus. And I want to say thank you to them for the job they do because the students could not be where they are today if not for the efforts and passion of our students here. And again, I want to thank all of you for coming out today. We're looking forward to today, and we're looking forward to the future and how we're going to make this grow in the apprenticeship program. And again, thank the most important one, Ms. Carrie Cobb. Thank her for her hard work because she orchestrates all of this. Behind every successful thing, there's always someone who's really doing the work. So I want to say thank you to Ms. Carrie Cobb and the efforts she puts forward for Northeast. And again, thank you all for coming today. And I will introduce Ms. Cobb now. She has got some videos, I think, to show you. So thank you all for coming. Have a great day.
I want to also say thank you to everyone for being here today. I appreciate our instructors, our students, our family, the friends that have come to celebrate our students, and our companies that are supporting our students, supporting our programs, and have made this day possible. Three Rivers Planning and Development and Accelerate Mississippi are also a partner of ours and help the funding process and make that available to us. So everyone that's here today, I think we can all celebrate and be excited about what this day is about. We'll get started. I would like to say, as I call out students and companies, you'll come forward. We're going to have a signing at the table and take a photo. If there are multiple students for each company, if you'll all make your way up, and we'll do individual pictures and then we'll do a group photo before you go sit down. And don't run away because at the end, our companies will want to take some additional photos. Fisher, she is from Boonville. She is signing with Silman Industries. It's a wonderful opportunity for her. She's in our drafting, design, and 3D modeling technology program. She's a second-year student. She'll get to get some good experience and get her career started before she graduates. Next, we'll recognize our students that are signing with SM Lawrence. We have two students, Autumn Campbell. Autumn is a student from Dennis, Mississippi, and she is in our drafting, design, and 3D modeling technology program. She's actually already started working with SM Lawrence. And then Ryan Doran is in our electrical technology program. He is from Marietta, Mississippi. Both Ryan and Autumn are second-year students. They are prepared to graduate in May. I'd like to make lots of pictures. Next, we'll recognize our Tiger Automotive apprentices. We'll start with Landon Hudson. I'm not sure if he's here. He was able to be here. Some of our apprentices will not be here because they are working. Landon Hudson is an industrial maintenance technology first-year student from Corinth, Mississippi, and he was hired with Tiger over the summer and then started school in August with us in the Northeast. Then we'll recognize Bradley McAllister. He's in our Precision Manufacturing and Machining Technology program as a first-year student. He's from Corinth, Mississippi. He also was selected as he was finishing high school to apprentice at Tiger Automotive. I'm going to go ahead and call Dave Henderson if you want to step forward as well. Bradley McNutt will take a group shot in just a second. Dave Henderson is a business management technology student from Golden, Mississippi. He was hired as he was finishing high school as well. And then I'll recognize our fourth apprentice for Tiger, Jackson Laster, and he's not able to be here either. He's with the Business Management Technology program, and he is from Iuka, Mississippi. He's working in the logistics division at Tiger and getting a business management technology degree in the Northeast. Thank you. We'll do a group shot as well. Next, we'll move to our Tri-State Truck Center. We have two Tri-State Truck Center apprentices from our Diesel Power Technology program. Zachary McKinney is our first apprentice. He's from Boonville. He's a first-year student in the diesel program. Mr. Jason Maddox is going to, he's our division there. He will recognize Zach and be in the photo. Zach has a wonderful opportunity to gain experience all 4 semesters while he's in his program. So when he finishes and gets his degree in diesel, he will already have his career story. And then the second Tri-State apprentice is Clay Davis. He's from Ripley, Mississippi. He's in the Diesel Power Technology program. He's a first-year student as well. We're excited. Both of our first-year students are getting this opportunity with Tri-State. Next, we got Cole Lindsay, and he is not here today. He actually has new employee orientation that had to be scheduled today and tomorrow. So he could not be here. We told him to go ahead and get that orientation done so he can get started and get to work. He is in industrial maintenance technology. He's a first-year student, and he has been hired as a maintenance apprentice with Ashley Furniture. He is from Boonville, Mississippi. And then we also have, for Ashley Furniture, Caleb Nelson. He's with the Drafting, Design, and 3D Modeling Technology program. He's from New Albany, Mississippi. Ms. Christy Tootle selected him to work in her department, but she was not able to be here. So Mr. Jeff Nelson is Caleb's instructor. We're proud of Caleb for the opportunity this is going to provide him. He's a first-year student. He'll get to apprentice all 4 semesters while he's with us and have a wonderful career started with Ashley. Next, we want to recognize our Cook Lighting Engineers apprentices. We have a couple of programs represented. First, we'll recognize Carter Austin. He is with our Drafting, Design, and 3D Modeling Technology program. He's a freshman in that program. He's from Iuka, Mississippi. He was selected by Cook Lighting Engineers to work in their drafting department. We'll recognize our next Cook Lighting apprentice, Bryce Cooper. He's with our Civil Engineering Technology program from Ryancy, Mississippi. We're excited he's going to get this opportunity to gain experience with Cook Lighting. And then next, we'll recognize Jake Tillman. He's a Civil Engineering Technology student from Iuka, Mississippi. He was also selected to work with Cook Lighting. and gain experience while he's in his program. I also want to recognize Alex Rose. He's here with us today as well. He is a second-year apprentice with Cook County Engineers. Why don't you come forward and be in the group photo? Alex was selected last year, so he has gotten 4 semesters of experience. He will have 4 semesters of experience when he graduates in May with Cook County Engineers. Next, we want to recognize our apprentices that were selected by Midway Trucks. First, we'll recognize Hunter Ray. Hunter is an industrial maintenance technology student from South Village. He was selected as a maintenance apprentice with Midway. And then our second apprentice with Midway is James Pilgrim. We'd like to recognize James. He's our graphic design and 3D modeling technology student from Below, Mississippi. He's a second-year student in the program. And he was selected to apprentice at Midway in the design department. This will give him an opportunity to gain valuable experience before he graduates in May. Wade Barron, who will join them for a group photo. Wade is a second-year apprentice in the maintenance department. He's an industrial maintenance technology student that will graduate in May, and he's been apprenticing with Midway. He started last year. Next, we want to recognize Tom Bigby Tooling Incorporated and their apprentice Hayden Horton. Hayden is a first-year student in the Precision Manufacturing and Machining Technology program. He's from Boonville. He's joined by the Tom Bigby Tooling representatives and his instructor, Mr. Stevie Lovelace. Tom Bigby Tooling in Manhattan is a wonderful partner of our Precision Machining program. It's a long-standing partnership that they have. Next, we have Casey Taylor and Boonville Heating and Cooling. Casey is a first-year student in the Heating and Air Conditioning Technology program. He's from Boonville. He was selected by Boonville Heating and Cooling as an apprentice. He'll be allowed 4 semesters to gain experience before he graduates. Next, we have 2 apprentices with Smitty's Air Conditioning and Heating. First, we'll recognize Michael Smith. He's a first-year student in the Heating and Air Conditioning Technology program. Michael's from Boonville. He's joined by his instructor, Mr. Russ Fuller. Mr. Swinney couldn't be here this morning. The second apprentice, Bryson Strickland. He's a first-year student in the Heating and Air Conditioning Technology program from Tishomingo, Mississippi. These young men have an opportunity to attend school at Northeast and work locally with Swinney's as well, gaining valuable experience in the process. Next, we'd like to recognize Silas South. He is a first-year student in the Precision Manufacturing and Machining Technology program. He's from Burnsville, Mississippi. Silas is joined by Mr. Stevie Lovelace and Mr. Jonathan Shaw, our instructors for the Precision Machining program. Our representative from APMM could not be here today. Silas was hired to work as an apprentice. He'll gain 4 semesters of experience before he graduates at APMM. Next, we have 4 Caterpillar apprentices to recognize. We have 3 of the 4 here with us today. Mateo Molina was not able to be here. He is in the Precision Machining program. He's from Corinth, Mississippi. He's a second-year student. Next, we will recognize Dominic Johnson. Dominic is a first-year student in the Precision Manufacturing and Machining Technology program. He's from Boonville. He was selected to apprentice with Caterpillar all 4 semesters while they've been here at least. It's a wonderful opportunity and a wonderful partnership we have with Caterpillar. Next, we'll recognize TJ Wharton. He is also a first-year student with the Precision Machining program. He is from Corinth, Mississippi. He will be allowed 4 semesters of experience while he's finishing his program. Matthew Smith is from Boonville. He is also a first-year student in the Precision Machining program. And this is a valuable opportunity for him as well. Next, we'll recognize our apprentices at Mississippi Silicon. Scott Harville is a second-year student in the Industrial Maintenance Technology program. He's from Glenn, Mississippi. He was selected to work with Mississippi Silicon over the summer. He'll be able to work with them until he graduates in May. Nick is a second-year student in the Industrial Maintenance Technology program from Ashland, Mississippi. He was selected over the summer as well. Both of these students have been given an opportunity to gain experience, hands-on experience while they finish their program. This builds their resume before they graduate. We're thankful. Next, we'll recognize our apprentices with UMAC Construction. We have 2 Construction Engineering Technology students. First, we'll recognize Judd Bennett. He's from Saltillo. Judd will graduate in May. This gives him an opportunity to build experience in his field. Both Kason and Judd were selected over the summer to do their internship. And they stayed on with UMAC to continue building experience. The second apprentice is Kason Jones. Kason will actually graduate in December. So he'll finish out his experience. He's from Ripley, and he is also in the Construction Engineering Technology program. Next, we have Lakefront Gardens and their apprentice, Zach Summers. Zach is a first-year student in the Construction Engineering Technology program. He's from Ripley, Mississippi. Next, we'd like to recognize Alex Tatum. Alex is a Construction Engineering Technology student from Hickory Flat. Alex is an apprentice with Phillips Contracting out of Columbus, Mississippi. Next, we would like to recognize Riley Jacobs. He is not able to be here today as well. He is a Civil Engineering Technology student from Ryancy. He's a second-year student, and he is apprenticing with Ward Engineering in Boonville. And I would like to also include Chance Beach. Chance Beach is in our Collision Repair Technology program now. He finished our Automotive Technology program. He's been given the opportunity to apprentice with Murphy Brothers Trading Company here in Boonville. He is joined by his instructors, Mr. Greg Harvey and Mr. Randy Mitchell. Cody Hancock is in the Precision Manufacturing and Machining Technology program. He is doing an internship with General Atomics, and his instructors are with him today as well. We have a lot of moving parts with this program. I would like to announce, students, please get with your companies. As you'll notice, we have some of our companies have set up tables down the sides and in the back. We're going to take some additional group photos and additional photos with your companies. So please join your companies for pictures. Again, I'd like to thank everyone. I'd really like to thank our industry partners for taking time to be here. We are extremely proud of the Tiger Apprenticeship program. Incidentally, we are in our 6th year with this program. And I would like to point out several of the companies here were with us as a first-year company when we started the program. I think that's phenomenal. And we're thankful for our new companies that signed with us this year as well. It just grows and grows, and that's an exciting thing to see happen. And I love working with the program. Thank you all for being here.